have done it. They're looking at me and they both run.
Better watch out.
They have young kids.
Yes.
I wanna shout out to the world so they know.
Right, good afternoon everybody. So it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So our plan, me and Charlie, is going to hiking. So I just have motorbike, and I asked her to put a petrol.
Okay, I don't have steady petrol hands, so Agung's going to pour that so we don't waste any. We are going hiking. I've been coming to Lake Toba for like a decade and I've never been on any of the nice walks that are around here, so we decided to go check them out today. And we could actually walk to the beginning of the hike, but it's quite late in the day and we're feeling quite lazy, so we borrowed a motorbike.
It's gonna be so fun.
Maybe.
Okay, so we just arrived at starting point to hiking today. So it took us around 3 minutes driving, so it's so close. There is few different walks here. Some of them is took you to Tomok, and some of them is took you to Ambarita. And we don't know yet where we're gonna end up, and then see how it goes, yeah?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
What's happening? I just got off the bike because I told Agung we should walk, and then he just took off on the bike without me.
Right, so I just parked my bike here. Charlie was waiting for me down there.
Okay, so we're going on foot because we figure we better not be too lazy. So we would recommend, if you would like to go for, where are you? If you'd like to go for a hike in Tuk Tuk, best time of day to go would be early in the morning, because in night time or in the late afternoon there's a higher chance of rain, although not always. So we're just taking our luck. It's not very cloudy today, so we should be fine, but also it's not so hot, yeah, if we go in the morning.
Exactly.
So don't be like us.
One thing I'm pretty sure you guys don't like it when you going through bushes in Indonesia is mosquitoes. The giant one, and they hurt.
Yeah, I felt that one.
I get so many. I guess you can't see because my skin is dark. I mean brown. Sorry for that. Oh, but it's already beautiful views. How do you feel, Charlie?
Oh, they're hot.
You're hot.
I mean, coming in the morning or the late afternoon.
Yes.
Because if it was middle of the day, I'd be dying.
Pong! Apa Pong? Ini kah hutan ya? Makasih Pong ya.
I just walked through some mud and there's a leech on my foot. Can you get it?
Di mana? Oh, this one.
Can you take it, please? Okay, so leech is gone. A lot of people don't like the idea of leeches, but really they're painless. You just rip them off if they're already stuck on, or just flick them off if they're not, and on your way. That's the first time actually since I've been back to Sumatra that I've seen a leech. It makes back fond memories of walking through the jungle covered in leeches. Good times. So we've come out the other side. We might go back the other way up there, but first this is the road that joins Ambarita to Tomok, and the beautiful mountain behind us. So if you wanted to keep walking down there, you could probably even trekking over to the waterfall, which is over, where am I pointing? Over there?
Yes.
Or walk along one of those roads. We might go back and take the other path upwards and see what's on that side. This little spot, there's these lots of little pools, very, very dirty pools, and they are for buffalo to come and smooch around in when it's hot and cool off. But we haven't seen any buffalo today, which is quite nice. I think buffalo are freaking beautiful, but I'm also terrified of them. Yes, I grew up on a farm. I love sheep, I love goats, but cows, I have a very healthy respect for cows, and buffaloes are like cows on steroids. So I'd rather not come face to face on one in the middle of nowhere. Thanks.
Must be pig.
Wild pigs?
Yeah, must be.
Oh wow, look at that. It's a pig track. See, this is the perks of hiking with a jungle guide, an ex-jungle guide.
Right, so we just come back from the last road, which is beautiful. I like it. I just flew my drone there, and then now we're going to another hill. Super duper excited. I already see through my drone. It look beautiful from up there, actually. Yeah? So yeah, so far so good. Iya betul. Bisa ya. Right, so just seeing that guy. He seems nice guy, he's smiling, and then he told us you guys should keep going. It's end up in big road. What do you think?
Very pretty. It must go down to Amberita.
Oh yeah, I know that island.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this leads down probably to Hutasialagan.
What's that?
This probably leads again to the area near Hutasialagan. Whole turn we took is definitely very uphill, as you can tell, but still beautiful views out across there, and I have a feeling once we get to the top we'll be able to see across Amberita, yeah, and maybe even back to Tuk Tuk, so we'll see. We're going in here. Agung's already there, so go bush.
Alright, so we just get lost in the middle of nowhere, but you know, like in Lake Toba there's so many avocado trees. And then right now, I started just picking one, and then
I won't take any. They don't belong to me. They're all rotten anyway.
I know.
Man, what a waste.
I know, so it's not just avocado. Bananas, look at this, bananas. Ready, and
Is that papaya?
papayas over there, avocado everywhere.
Good little community garden.
I know.
What's that?
If you know tuak is like palm oil. Apa sih? Palm oil
Palm
alcohol.
wine?
Palm wine. So this is for palm wine. Okay. Climbing. Using ladder.
It's a bamboo ladder.
Bamboo ladder. Wow.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
So again, we can go
Oh,
left,
you're recording. Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
or
Right.
right, which looks more downhill. Let's go this way. I might be able to see Amberita from here. Wow. Little Tuk Tuk. So this is the other side of Tuk Tuk. We live across the far side, I think. Oh no, our house is actually over there. You can't see it, but just not far from there. Okay, so that's the end of our hike today. We're going to find our way home somehow, but
Yes.
awesome thing to do. Highly recommend coming on one of these hikes. Free, totally free thing to do unless you want to hire a scooter or a bicycle, but that's not too expensive. You can walk here easily from Tuk
Yeah,
Tuk.
exactly. Yes.
Even though it's not clearly signposted, you're not going to get completely lost. Just go exploring, bring a sense of adventure, and
Yes.
see where you end up. It's going to be
Yeah.
super fun. Just make sure you bring water, maybe mosquito repellent, and
Exactly.
sunscreen.
Yes.
And this is the first time we've been hiking. There's so many more things to do here.
Exactly. Yeah.
And we're going to discover them all and share them with you. So don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to keep seeing our adventures.
Yes.
And if you're watching last week, you might see we rescued a little kitten. So
Yes.
keep watching because we're going to do an update on her.
And if you want to know more about kitten and our life, make sure you guys follow us on Instagram.
Yes. Okay. See you there.
See you guys. I'm super excited.
Super excited.